Good evening, students.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, today we are going to do this poem, Life, and this is written by the poet Charlotte Bronte. Okay, so as we all know that in our life, basically it is related to the realistic, practical, what we are facing and experiencing, that we will study in this poem. So as we all know that in our 9th standard, every poem has appreciation also. Means we have to understand the meaning and we have to write, we have to appreciate it with the help of the following points. So that points we will discuss later on once I'll complete explaining the poem. So in this we have to focus mainly on the title, poet's name, figures of speech are there, rhyming scheme, rhyming words, and there are figures of speech, then which are the favorite lines that we have to follow. Now, so first stanza it is given about the life. Life, believe it's not a dream, means life is not a dream, it's reality first of all. So dark as sages say. Sages, what do you mean by sages? Sages are the saints people, wisdom, wise people. So they have already told about the life, that life there are so many ups and downs in our life. Ups and downs, like there are so many difficulties, there are failures, success in our life. So often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Like when it rains, when it is a sunny day, we come to know about that it's a new morning. New morning refers here means we are getting new opportunity for the day, means to live as a new beginning. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom. So here clouds of gloom refers to what? Any idea? Clouds of gloom means when we face difficult situation, when our days are dark, like clouds. You know, when there is rainy season, before that clouds appear in the sky. So it looks very dark. So that time when dark situations come in our life, we should not give up. We should not face, means we should not show any negativity. We have to put courage. Because everyone enjoys, everyone enjoys happy days, right?
Yes.
We enjoy all the happy moments,
Yes.
like birthday of our friends,
Yes.
anniversaries, and parties. We enjoy so much. So why we are crying for the sad days? So life is all about the happy and sad moments. That's all life is about. So here comparison is done, metaphor, and life is also personified. Personification, figure of speech has been used. Personification means a person quality is given to the non-living things or inanimate objects. So here, so dark as sages say. Which letter is repeating here? S. So this is alliteration. Alliteration, figure of speech means one same letter is repeating more than twice. Then, sometimes there are clouds of gloom. So clouds of gloom, look here. Clouds of gloom. It refers to the negative moments of our life. So, but these are transient all. So here poet is saying that dark days are there in our life, but they are temporary. Transient means temporary. It will not for the long time. It will also move on. Just what you have to show? Patience. You have to show patience, courage. If the shower will make the roses bloom. What do you mean by the roses bloom? Roses bloom means rose will bloom. This is happy days. One day rose will bloom, it will spread fragrance. So this is positivity of our life. Oh, why lament its fall? So why it is question mark in this sentence? Oh, why lament? Lament means, what do you mean by lament? Any idea? Anyone? Lament means sadness. Why we cry? So the poet is asking question. This is interrogative. This is figure of speech, interrogation. Which figure of speech it is? Interrogation. Because question has been asked by the poet in the form of rhetorical question. Rhetorical matlab the answer is not required. Only they are just putting question by asking it that, oh, why lament its fall? Means if we are enjoying happy moments, then why we are sad for the sad moments? We should also enjoy that also. Not enjoy it, but we have to face that. We cannot run away from sad moments. Okay, suppose if you are getting less marks, we feel sad. Okay, means how we will face that situation. But anyhow, you have to face that. Because once you will not face it, you will be failure, loser. Now, rapidly, merrily, these are adverbs. Because these are the words which tell you about the verbs, action. Rapidly. And here, merrily. So these are the words like rapidly, merrily, life, sunny, hours flit by. It means whatever the happy moment in our life, it will move on so fast. I agree. Do you all agree? Yes. All the happy moments just, it just move away so quickly, rapidly and happily. We cannot understand the time. Okay, see, when you are enjoying with your friends, that moment is going so fast. Yes. But when you are waiting for your friend, the time goes very slow. Yes. So, gratefully, cheerily. What do you mean by gratefully? Gratefully, cheerily. It means gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. You have to enjoy all the moments gratefully and cheerily before they fly. What do you mean by fly here? The fly word refers to once the time will go, it will never return or come to you. And you will regret later on definitely. So, instead of getting regret for the time, you have to enjoy all the moments with your loved ones, with your dear ones. Loved one, dear ones can include all your relatives, friends, parents and your best friends. What though death at times steps in? Death, here death refers to personification. Means we don't know, we cannot predict the future. We can't say what is going to happen to the next moment. Can you imagine? No. But yes, at least we can have precautions about it. Means we can make ourselves safe from getting too much difficult situation. So here death can comes to anyone at any time. This is which figure of speech? Personification. Why? Can anyone tell me why it is personification?
Because the human quality is given to the non-living.
Exactly. Death got the human quality of steps in. We can't see from where the death will come inside. But death comes to everyone. We know that. Yes. So here poet wants to say that death comes at everyone. Death comes in everyone's life anytime. And calls our best away. Our best ones will go far from us. We cannot stop them. So our best one will go away from our life. Okay. What though sorrow seems to win? Over hope a heavy sway. So whatever the dark days or the difficult situation is there in our life, we should have one thing. That is hope. Everyone have hope over here?
Yes.
Everyone, right? Hope. We have hope. Hope means at least we can do something. Positivity. कुछ उम्मीद रहती है ना आपको? Something will happen. God will definitely help us. Or God will definitely show us the path, new way of getting out from the trouble. Everyone have trouble. I may look happy to you. but you don't know that even there are many difficulties in my life too regarding so many things. Even you are also facing sufferings. Everyone here is facing suffering, even though we look happy, because it is the positivity of your attitude and mind how to deal with the situation. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So here again interrogation. Over hope a heavy sway, question mark. This is figure of speech, interrogation. Yet hope again elastic springs. This is inversion. What do you mean by inversion? Inversion is a figure of speech in which a sentence is not given in proper order. Sentence is not given in proper way. Means somewhere grammatical error is there. Grammatically it is not framed well. So inversion में आपको क्या करना रहता है? You have to frame it properly. Okay. So here, yet hope again elastic springs unconquered. What do you mean by unconquered? This is synonyms you have to find out for this. इसका synonyms क्या? Synonyms are the similar words. Unconquered means no one can defeat you. Getting? Unconquered is no one can defeat you. Though she fell. This is again personification. Still beyond are her golden wings. Now see, hope got the quality of golden wings. Means everyone have hope. Hope has golden wings. Still strong to bear us well. Means everyone, there is inner hope in everyone's mind. Strength, which gives us power to think positive again. एक बार आपकी लाइफ में कुछ भी डिफिकल्टी आती है, that time we feel like we all are broken completely. There is no way to find out. But then again hope will come with her golden wings and it will raise confidence in you, and again you will get up and you will fight. You will fight with the difficult situation and you will be ready to face the world. That is life. Life is not about running away from the problems. Life is just to face with the situation. Whatever circumstances. Either you are poor or you are rich, doesn't matter. Everyone have two sides of the coin. Happiness, sadness. Both the sides everyone has to face. Alright. Last stanza it is about manfully, fearlessly. Manfully is bravely, strongly. Fearlessly means you are not scared. You are not afraid. Fearless means very confident you are. The day of trial bear. For gloriously, victoriously means you have to be winner. You are not to be believe in the losing things. पहले ही आप give up कर दोगे. अभी suppose for example I am giving that in your school there are many competitions like race, many games, sports, function, whatever. So we are participating, right? And once only if suppose you are just giving up that I can't do this, I can't run. So what will happen? It means you are the loser. But if you are completing the race and you are not coming first, it doesn't matter. Because what matters the most? Participating is must, hard work. If you are not participating and you are just giving up in the beginning, it means you are loser. So you are the winner because you have at least attained any competition. So do not give up in between. Can courage quell despair. So everything you can achieve in your life just because of courage. Courage. What is courage? Your hard work. Getting? So you have to be success in your life, and success one time only you will get when you will do hard working. And if you are just giving up, it means you are giving up from the life. You will not get success anytime. Okay. So in this, which are the rhyming words and which is the rhyming scheme? We'll see about the first stanza. It is dream, say, rain, day. So it is dream is A, say, day. Means when the rhyming words are similar, you will give the same rhyme scheme. Like dream, you will give A. Say, you will give B. Then rain, C, because it is different. Day, B. So what is the rhyme scheme for the first stanza?
A, B, C, B.
Getting? Same for the entire stanza. Same pattern you have to follow. Clear? Have you understood the poem?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, life is all about, in short, about the reality. About facing the challenges. Alright. So, I hope anyone have any doubt here?
No.